relax ko.
Sige. Ano? Umbrella. Umalit. Itubok na rin. Umalit na umbrella.
Yeah, nice. Ganyan ka. Nice. Yan lang. Correct.
Wala bang electric fan pahiram?
Electric fan. Mainit ha.
Mr. Designer. Yes pa, okay na sa ito. Para natural magsakan. Ginagawa sa ito.
Hindi ko
Yun.
Ano?
Mike, okay lang ha. Some air from this side.
Yes.
Para ano.
Yun.
Masyadong lakas.
Hindi, basta hindi lang nagugulo yung buhok ko yung
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
So this picture, the pictures for the exhibit.
Pagsasamahin ko. Para magdalong ano.
Eh po, yeah. Di ba you sent an email that you need to
Yeah, that's for the video.
When do you need that?
First week of August.
Okay. You need at least mga 10 different gowns.
Not necessarily gowns. Your trips, your with your family.
Okay, alright. It doesn't have to be for you.
Parang we want to show a collage of your photos, how you look like, and the clothes you're wearing. Doesn't have to be formal.
You don't need formal.
Two line setup na lang.
Sige.
One light with two triggers. Unless you raise a trigger.
Kaya hindi ka lang may calculate kung saan pinadala. Diba, okay lang kayo. Isiman nyo lang. Sige, Joey, hindi magkabalitan pa na. Sige, sige. Paano ito lang? Mamaya na. Dali ko yung family yan. Meron ko sa sabi ko na tapos tundot ko.
Yung ano?
Oo.
Yung octopus. Okay. Test. Test. Completed. Okay. Okay. Dapat dito ka. Para hindi nakapan yung ikaw. Ano?
Okay. Ito full body to, no?
Wala ko yung car size, di ba?
Wala na yung size.
Yung car size.
Gusto mo yung ng konti?
Sana lang para...
Gano'n ng konti?
Hindi, basta lumabas lang yung leg. Yung
Yes.
komportable siya.
Yan.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
Okay. Alright. Okay, shooting. Is she supposed to look at the camera? Ano, look at the camera?
One looking through the window. Pero, papabuti mo naman lang sa camera ng maliit. Yeah. Then another shot, and
Hey, you look-
smiling, direct to the camera.
There you go, there you go. Nice. Good.
Nice.
Alright. Alright. That's good. Alright. Okay, beautiful. That's it. One more. Alright, nice. Okay, good. Nice, Mike.
Done.
A little no. A little dark. Hindi, dark sa computer. Okay. Tama. Oo, tama yan. Sige, ako sa phone.
Wala akong ano.
Wala pang flashlight.
Wala.
Wala ba? Ay, sorry.
Sitting down.
Yung apa yung
Attention lang yan.
yung facing sa glass.
Ano okay?
Meron na yata kanina. The first few shots, nakaharap siya doon. And then yung sumunod na.
Test pa tayo. Test pa lang yung kanina.
The shots pa lang. Same pose.
Test pa lang pala kanina.
Yes. Medyo closer pa. Okay. Looking for the glass. Pero favor ng konti sa camera yung face. Yan.
No, research lang. Can she look this way now? There you go. Smile.
Inaayos mo ba yung paa? Kasi kulang sa ano yung paa, naggalaw yung paa. Naggalaw yung paa. Can we have the same pose again? So, dapat medyo yan, okay. Yan. A little. Yeah.
Okay, this way, one last time. There you go.
Okay. Position. Okay. All right. Next.